So it's a boat full of animals and a boat full of balls,
Love it.
right?
Full of animals.